from here. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. You don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building, you're one of them. Today I'm so excited. I have Neela here with me.
Hey.
This is Neela. We're at Lethe Rafting in Hanover. This is my first time here. It's very cool. I'm so excited.
Yes.
And we're gonna go on the raft.
Yay! First time.
First time.
Can't wait.
Neela's gonna change right now because we're gonna get a foot massage.
Oh yeah.
Come from this side, Neela, because this door opens better.
Oops. Legs.
Watch your foot.
Hey.
It's Romeo didn't open it. Alright, let me.
Romeo.
So I'm gonna show you guys the river. And I'm also gonna show you guys when we're on the raft. I'm so excited. You don't know. Shout out to Neela and David. We're gonna have so much fun today. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love with the Skylife experience. I have something big to tell you guys. I haven't told you yet, but I'm gonna tell you like at the end of the video or so. But yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, thumbs up on things. So guys, we're ready to go on the raft. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see the river and the raft.
Take pictures, okay? Can you? Of my
Let me take pictures first.
Take your time. Should I bring those water shoes? Come on, just stay level. Stay level. Don't go on no rocks. Come on, stay in the water. Come on. Nothing. Not taking pictures.
I don't know. I have something.
Let me see. Maybe I have 3G.
Hey girl. Look at David.
Take a picture.
Look,
David wants a
we're going
picture.
on a bamboo trip.
Who wants a bamboo trip? Come on, read up.
On the boat.
I'm out.
Huh?
Melica, I'm going to go over there and say, take a picture.
Okay.
What? Got me tired.
How you doing, Mom? You're taking care of your son. Alright, so don't worry.
Yeah, man, Capitano.
Ooh.
Don't drop your phones, okay?
No. We have to jump off.
Hey girl.
Gang.
Alright, guys, today you're riding on the Great River. Name of the river, Great River.
Great river.
Great river.
Nothing inside to harm you. No Corianos, no crocodile, no alligators. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Inside we have shrimps, eels, catfish, black perch.
Oh, black perch is fish.
Yeah.
The water is it looks very cold.
Yeah.
Warm water.
Warm?
Warm water.
He's not coming?
Give me an hour,
Gonna
big call.
need us one. Romeo should have came.
He should have came.
Two of them you have done there. Can I manage all two? This one and the next one.
What, David?
He's going to meet us down the hill.
Huh?
He's going to pick us up.
All right.
I guess he has to bring down the
All
car.
right, down there. 1,600, you know.
Hello.
Hi. He's gonna bring down the car.
Okay.
I feel like I'm going really fast.
You gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
We're
I
gonna
have to
see.
check it out.
Let me do.
America.
So wagwan. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Big up yourself.
Big of yourself.
Oh, what a damn.
What a damn.
No. Upper area, we have one of the oldest stone bridge in Jamaica. This bridge is over 200 years old, never repaired.
The bridge.
Upper area.
Oh, this bridge.
What a break.
Limestone and molasses.
This bridge, guys, is over 200 years old.
Never repaired.
Never repaired. So you know that the
Built by
slaves
limestone and
traveled.
molasses.
Built by limestone and molasses.
No former steel reinforcement.
No steel, and it never broken down.
Over here, usually they whole banana plantation where they usually box banana for the back of the
I
States.
told Romeo there was something about banana.
And you knew we have 27 different varieties of banana.
27 different varieties.
27.
I like banana in my protein drink.
Yeah. That's one of the best parts.
Woo!
David.
This is clean water. You drink this, you know that, right?
Yeah, man, you can drink it, man. It's purified by limestone, you know?
Yeah.
Come from the hill on top.
Yeah.
It's clean water. Right?
Yeah, it's better than pipe water.
Really?
Look.
Ooh.
Look.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Clean water, yeah.
Yeah, man. Fresh and clean. Purified by limestone.
So we can drink
Soft
the
one
water.
goes at the side. Tougher ones goes at the bottom. River carry no bacteria
Oh,
because of the limestone.
okay. Because we're going to get a limestone thing rubbed.
Yeah. Wow, but I think what
Oh.
Alright, you guys can swim.
That's why it's a little bit bumpy in the low season, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Fresh and clean, man.
Did you drink it?
Yeah, so try it. It's river water. That's how we grew up in Fiji.
I would love to go to Fiji.
Oh, it's very tropical.
Try it.
Yeah.
I will.
It's a little bit high for us to reach.
We're gonna end up falling.
Woohoo!
Little bumpy right there, don't mind.
It's alright. No traffic.
I like
We
the
can't
traffic.
swim. I'm gonna kill you.
That's the almond.
Back in the 60s, 70s.
The street.
Yeah.
Cotton
we didn't have
tree.
any farmer engine boats.
Yeah.
This is what our foreparents carve a canoe boat from to go to the sea fishing with paddles.
Okay. Cotton
And
tree.
otherwise for the cotton tree, our ancestors usually use it to keep a meeting on it. So for instance, if you say whenever you're on a cotton tree, don't say anything bad about the ancestors.
Okay. It's gonna turn us around. Ooh. I forgot to bring my
Now
swim.
come on nice on the boat.
Monica, how did you forget that? And I brought a towel and a change of clothes and no swimsuit.
Oh God. Well, I have few. What size you wear?
Right, maybe medium.
Okay, I'll see.
You have few in the car with you now?
Yeah.
You're prepared.
The road ball.
Huh?
Yeah, it is.
Very relaxing. You do this at nighttime too?
Sometimes 9 o'clock get it on the river.
Oh. I guess they have to be able to see because there's no light down there.
Oh
But we
yeah.
have the big flood lamps, you know?
Okay, they have light.
You know what kind of flood lamps?
Oh, their eyes.
Natural floodland.
Yeah, natural flood lamps. Alright, so here I stop and go to the bush to look things to show you guys. Plants.
Okay.
Oh, go.
We're coming with you? Oh, we're staying.
Let me see.
Take a picture, David.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
Huh?
Wagwan.
What's that?
Say that.
Wagwan.
That's Patwa.
Oh, okay.
It means what's up.
What's up?
Yeah.
I thought yama, yama.
Yaman mean alright. Yaman.
Yaman means everything. Like,
Yeah.
are you stupid, Yaman?
I guess he's gonna get us bananas. The sun is hot though. A lot of banana trees. Yeah.
can actually swim in there, you know that, right?
Yeah, we can. All right, the thing with the river, when you're from Fiji, so you know, like it's cooler than it gives you a different feel from the seawater. So I really like going to the river.
Drink the water.
I did.
I can't catch it, I'm too short.
If you get sick, I don't know.
Malaria.
You're not gonna get sick. Guys, it's so relaxing down here. Very cool, relaxing, on the tip of romantic. I really like it. The bridge, somebody just drove
I
across.
believe they had zip lining here.
They have zip lining at another part. I don't think it's around here though. So we're on the raft. It has some decoration. What tree is this? Orchid. So the guy gone get some fruits so we try. For us to try, and then we'll be going downstream. So guys, we're in the water. It's pretty cold. We'll drink some of my fresh water out the river right now.
Drink some water.
I wash our face. Come again. Neela, you don't want to drink it?
Yes. Refreshing.
Good for your skin, this type of water. Yeah.
Good.
Very relaxing. I'm gonna start a YouTube chat. This is a piece of stick. A bamboo.
See, I never went in the sun. That's why I'm so white. Me first?
Yeah. Go first.
All right.
I want you to sit first. Come up, come all the way up.
Oh, okay. Hold on. There be your shoes here. Slippery.
Water for you, man.
All right.
Yeah.